Fortune, you'll be sorry.
That's Dirk. His mom is an award-winning physicist, and his dad is an astronaut. He's really good with aerodynamics.
Aerodynamics? How convenient.
He's also a health nut. He only drinks like the most expensive water on the planet.
Bora Bora water. You can't afford it.
There's a bottling plant a few blocks away. If you can bring back a couple bottles for him...
Wait a sec. You're telling me that the only thing that will make this guy get off his ass is some brand-name bottled water?
You don't know him like I do.
I don't want to know him like you do.
Trust me, once we give him what he wants, he'll help make your propeller.
Over here. Look into the future.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Floyd, just checking in.
What are you, my mother?
You wish I was your mother.
No, I really don't. Anyway, I found a group of worthless, spoiled brats who just happen to be geniuses. I gotta do some stuff for them, then they'll build me a propeller.
Nice. Walter's out at the overpass rebuilding the glider. That propeller's gonna help a lot.
Don't tell him I'm working on it. I want it to be a surprise.
Walter doesn't like...
Oh God, the place is flooded. Guess if I want that precious Bora Bora water, I'm gonna have to drain out this nasty stuff first.
Warning. Contamination detected. Facility offline. Awaiting activation of emergency flush system.
Time to flush this factory-sized toilet.
Emergency flush system activated. Just kidding. Obstruction detected. Pressure level critical. Release safety valves to prevent complete and utter disaster.
He's gonna blow. Gotta release those valves. Now I just need to jump on that red thing.
Obstruction cleared. But you're not done yet. Baby steps. Another emergency flush system is awaiting activation.
Gotta flush this place out so I can get some fresh water.
Emergency flush system number 2 awaiting activation. Obstruction cleared. You are familiar with the rule of 3, correct? Emergency flush system number 3, awaiting activation.
Where are they all coming from?
Emergency flush system offline until you figure out where those ODs are coming from.
Hey, automated intercom lady. I could do with a little less sarcasm, Jay.
You can dish it out, but you can't take it, huh?
Oh, screw you! dumpster OD that spawns even more OD? Science is awesome. Scratch. Looks like I just took out the trash. No, wait, I got another one. What a waste of waste! Now I can do better than that. That was just a bunch of rubbish. I'm too British.
Please, stop.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
Final flush system valve awaiting activation. Emergency flush system complete. Facility online. Delicious, fresh, vitamin-enhanced Bora Bora water now available for delivery. My work here is done. I'm out, bitches.
Time to grab that water and get out of here. Better get this back to what's-his-face. It doesn't kill him. Whoa! Look at all those ODs! Why are you guys following me? Hey, assholes! It's just water! Lay off! Look at all the freaks! I gotta get indoors.
You did it! I mean, not that I had any doubt that you would. Wait here. Hey, Dirk, I got something I think you might like.
Sick. Ah, fuck, that's good. Purest water on Earth. Oh, thanks, Sam. You rock.
Yeah, sure. Anytime.
So, can I get that propeller now?
Soon. Dirk will certainly help, but we need to get a couple other people on board.
Over here. Look into the future.
Oh, honey, you've clearly come to the right place.